This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delightful honey lollipops at home. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want 1/2 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of water, a sturdy saucepan, and a reliable candy thermometer. Also, have your lollipop sticks and silicone molds or parchment paper ready for the next steps. Now let's get cooking. In your medium saucepan, combine the honey, corn syrup, granulated sugar, and water. Stir these ingredients gently over medium-high heat until all the sugar has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, insert your candy thermometer. Continue to boil the mixture, without stirring, until it precisely reaches 302 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage for candy. This temperature is crucial for perfect lollipops. With your mixture at the correct temperature, it's time to form your lollipops. Very carefully, pour the hot candy into your silicone molds, filling each about 3/4 full. If you're using parchment paper, spoon small circles onto the sheet. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into the center of each, rotating it slightly to ensure the end is coated. Remember to work quickly, as the honey mixture will start to set as it cools. Finally, let your delicious honey lollipops cool and harden. Allow them to sit undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 to 60 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once fully hardened, carefully pop them out of your silicone molds or peel them away from the parchment paper. For optimal freshness, store your beautiful homemade honey lollipops in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. They will stay delightful for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.